at any point in my lecture you don't understand anything, you can stop me and we can discuss. So here if you see this whole slide, you can see the normal wear. Like even today in your mouth there is some kind of enamel to enamel wear going on in your mouth, which is very normal. So that is around 8 to 30 microns per year. And when you see a zirconia to enamel wear, that also is coming in the same range. So that's why as a pediatric dentist and giving a zirconia crown on a primary tooth, you don't need to worry about any abrasion of the teeth. So zirconia, there are implants now made out of zirconia. So you can put zirconia in the bone in surrounding the gingiva and the periodontium, because this material is highly biocompatible. If you are giving a zirconia crown and the patient doesn't even brush his teeth, you will not see any plaque accumulation on zirconia crown. Anyone to have experience with zirconia agree with me? So zirconia crowns, patient is not maintaining oral hygiene, still the zirconia crown will look the same. There will be no change in the surface, plaque accumulation or the color of the crown. The indication of a zirconia crown in children is after root canal, after pulpotomy, after pulpectomy, hypoplastic teeth, multi-surface caries, and the most important is minimum 1.5 to 2 millimeters of supragingival tooth structure. If you have 1.5 to 2 millimeters supragingival tooth structure, you can give a zirconia crown. In the posterior, multi-surface caries, class 2 teeth caries. Have you seen your restorations failing composite glass ionomer cements? 1 year, 2 year, the eating habits are not changing. So your restoration fractures. The enamel and dentine in a primary tooth doesn't have the same retention to the cement like a permanent tooth. So there is micro leakage. So better to give a crown. So your prognosis will be very good. And I know that in Egypt you do lots of general anesthesia. Correct? So whenever you are doing general anesthesia, you don't want the child to come back for treatment after 2 years or 1 year. That's why you crown the tooth. You give full protection. Whenever there is no 1.5 to 2 millimeters of tooth structure, you cannot give a zirconia crown. There will be high chances of failure. If you keep the margin of your zirconia crown on your core buildup, then there will be problem or there will be failure. Whenever you are giving a shouldering appliance or an orthodontic appliance, you cannot shoulder that appliance on a zirconia. So then it is contraindicated. Just 1 minute.